Hello everyone, good evening. Yes, so we have Papiya Das here. Menti disco party. Wow, Papiya. And I can see some emojis as well. Yes, good evening Gungun Tagore. I am good, thank you. Perfectly visible and audible. Thank you Anukriti. Yeah, hi Ravi Maurya. Good evening Naina. Yes, hi Aditi. Life is beautiful. Hi Grisha. JK Learner. Yes. 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 Hi Achyut, Aditi. Hello Praveen. So, a very good evening to all of you. My name is Khushbu and a very warm welcome to yet another wonderful session. So, what are we going to learn today? So in the previous session, previous session was about a bridge session on rational numbers, right? And today we are going to have a quiz on that bridge session. So I'm sure that you all are prepared for it, yes? Everybody has revised those topics that we learned in the bridge session. So whatever topics you had, the concepts that you had in grade 7 on rational numbers, so this quiz is basically on that. Yes? So is everyone ready? Yes, Paris Gaming, Shivansh, Swati, Apeksha. Yes ma'am. Great, awesome. Alright, so let's not waste any more time here. Let's get started with the session. So, first I want you to like, share and please subscribe the channel so that you do not miss any new updates from us, so that you get the notifications about the upcoming sessions also. Yes, Rehan, whatever doubt you have, please write in the comment section. Alright, so let's start off with the questions. So here is the first one. Yes, answer with full on energy. Wow, that's amazing, Papiya. Yes. Alright, so which of the following rational numbers lies between -3 and -2? You can see 4 options over here, right? So what do you think? Which rational numbers lies between this? So before we jump off to the solution, quickly you answer in the comment section. Yes. Yes, Kriti, I am excited too. Deepthi says, okay, what is -1? Nayana, I think she's the first one to answer. She says it's option A. Quickly, I want everyone to answer. Nayana says A. Lavanya, Aharshi, Grisha, they are saying it's option C. So some are saying A, some are saying C. Okay. Aharshi says it's -11/5, that's option C. So maximum students are in the favor of option C basically. Okay, let's check it. First, let's see what the solution is. So if I go according to option A, which is -11/6, I'm going to discuss all the options one by one. Now I can see option B also. Oh. Okay, let's check it. So -3 and -2, it is here, right? Here on the number line. You can see a few divisions over here in between -3 and -2. So since the denominator is 6, -3 is nothing but that's actually -3/1. It can be written this way. -2 is nothing but that's actually -2/1. Yes, we have a quiz. Not menti, but yes, there will be a quiz. You will be given specific time to answer those questions. Do not worry. It's like that only. So first I'll make the denominator 6. So what I'm going to do here is I'm multiplying the numerator and denominator by 6. So we get -18/6, right? In a similar manner, this -2/1, I can multiply the numerator and denominator by 6. This becomes -12/6, right? Now -3 is nothing but that's actually -8/6. -2 is nothing but that's actually -12/6, right? So here -11/6 would obviously be here. It doesn't lie in between -3 and -2, right? Makes sense, yes? Leaderboard. Well, whomsoever gives the first answer, I'll call out their names, yes? Alright. Thank you, Shubham. So here, -11/6 is not lying in between them, right? Talking about option B, which is -16/5. Yes, Apeksha, I'll reveal the right answer. So I'm discussing the options one by one. So when you come across multiple choice questions, this is the way to, to actually attempt these questions. This is the strategy. We basically, we try just removing the ones which cannot be our answer, right? So -16/5, now I'll make the denominator 5. So I'm multiplying by 5 in the numerator as well as denominator, that's -15/5. So -3 can be written as -15/5 and -2 could be written as 10 by 5, right? Now think about it. Is minus 16 by 5 lying in between them? No, right? So, yes. Alright, so here it's going to be minus 16 by 5. That doesn't lie in between them. Talking about option C here, which is minus 11 by 5. Now again, this can be written as minus 15 by 5. We just saw in the previous slide. This can be written as minus 10 by 5, right? So that means minus 11 by 5 will lie in between them. So what does that mean? It means option C is the right answer. Yes. Yes, Gungun. See, whomsoever will give the first answer, I'll call out their names, right? So it doesn't matter if mentee is not there. Still we are having a quiz, right? Yes, so option C is the right answer, and maximum students gave the right answer, which is C. Some said it is A and B also. So I think whatever confusion you had in your mind, it's cleared now. Yes? Understood, right? Naina says yes. Thank you, Achyut. Gayatri, you were right. Great. Harshi, yes. Apeksha, yours is correct. Gungun, C, got it correct. Great. Can we convert improper into mixed fraction and then we find out the answer? Converting improper into mixed or mixed into improper. Is that what you are saying? Yes. See, in maths, there is not only one way. This is the beauty of mathematics. There is not only one way to find the answer to a question. There are multiple ways to do it, right? But just keep one thing in mind. The method has to be correct. Yes. Yes, Paras Gaming. Why not D? 13 by 6. How come 13 by 6? How can 13 by 6 lie in between them? They both are negative. 13 by 6 is positive. How can a positive number lie in between these two negative numbers? I hope I have answered to your question, Paras and Papaya. Yes? I have explained option D. Option D is a positive one. 13 by 6. How can a positive number lie in between two negative numbers? That was very simple to guess. Yes? Tanya, yes. Dance, Masti and learning with Nandini. Easy method? Right. I hope understood. Yes? No worries. So, Paras, what we have done here is, first, one by one, I have picked up all the options, right? So, in option 1, if you see the denominator was 6. So, we can make the denominator same, right? We'll multiply numerator, denominator by 6. You get minus 18 by 6. Similarly, this is minus 12 by 6. So, minus 18 by 6 is nothing but that's minus 3. Minus 12 by 6 is minus 2. Is minus 11 by 6 lying between them? No, it will lie here, right? Towards the right. Because when we move towards the right on the number line, the number increases, right? I hope this is clear, Paras. That's okay, Papaya. Yes. So this is clear to everyone. Similarly with the next option also, it was 5 in the denominator. So I multiplied numerator and denominator by 5. So we have minus 15 by 5 and minus 10 by 5. Then obviously minus 16 by 5 will not lie here. It will basically towards the left of minus 15 by 5. It's okay, Anukriti. We have a lot of more questions. Clear? Great. Let's move ahead. Now let's take a look at the next question. So our next question will be a poll question now. Yes? So you will be given a specific time to answer that question. Are you all ready? Yes? So see, this is like mentee only. Alright, alright. So here we go. Which of the following is an equivalent rational number of 5 by 6? So you will have 30 seconds to answer this question and I'm starting the timer now. Quickly. Yes. Kanchana Deva, how many questions? Session has just started. Come on. Swati Prasad is the first one to answer. She says it's C. Okay. All the students are saying C. Anukriti, Archita, Abu, Vivek, Gungun, Anukriti, Gayatri. Okay, now everyone is saying it's C. Dibyanshi 25 by 30. Okay, let's check the answer. Time is up. Option C, absolutely, that's 25 by 30. But still, let's quickly take a look at the solution, though you know it, right? Because you have given the right answer, so you know how you got it. So, basically 15 by 20, right? So, if I talk about the equivalent rational number to 5 by 6, so 1 by 1, if you talk about option A, so 3 by 4 times, if I multiply numerator denominator by 5, right? Similarly here for option B, for option C, this is 5 by 6, right? When you multiply the numerator denominator by 5, you get 25 by 30, right? So that's the right answer. Priyanka, you were the first to answer. Okay, okay. She says I was early. But see, the crux is all of you have given the right answer, right? So you all are clear with this concept of equivalent rational numbers, right? All right, great, awesome. Let's move ahead. Let's take a look at the next question. Find three rational numbers between 2 by 7 and 5 by 9 using the concept of equivalent fraction. So you all know this concept. Quickly tell me, what three rational numbers will come in between equivalent fractions? There can be a lot of, right, fractions or a lot of rational numbers. It's not necessary that you all give the same answer because infinite numbers are there between them. Yes. Quickly. Still, I can see the answer to the previous question. Quickly tell me, what all rational numbers? Abu says 4 by 14 will lie in between them. Okay. What else? Quickly. Naina, 19 by 63, 23, 20 by 63, 30 by 63. Okay, all right, let's see. Let's check the solution. So first of all, what we do is we simply take the LCM of the denominators. We take it, right? We make the denominator same. So LCM of 7 and 9 is going to be 63. So using the concept of equivalent fractions, I think somebody asked me for the previous one. See, the previous one in this question is almost the same thing because the concept is same. So when we talk about equivalent fractions, so 2 by 7, I am multiplying the numerator denominator by 9. Why 9? Because I have to make the denominator 63. So for that, I'll have to multiply by 9 in the denominator. So since I'm multiplying by 9 in the denominator, we multiply by the same number in the numerator also. Similarly, for the next one, 5 by 9, you have to make the denominator 63. So you multiply by 7. So you multiply by 7 in the numerator also. What do we get? 2 times 9 is 18, 7 times 9 is 63, 5 times 7 35, 9 times 7 63. So we have these two rational numbers. You just have to pick any three rational numbers between them, right? So that's going to be 19 by 63, 20 by 63 and 21 by 63. Yes. Shivansh, 15 by 63, 16 by 63, 17, 18. How come, Shivansh, you're getting 15, 16 and 17? That is not possible because these two numbers are itself 18 and 35. I'm talking about numerators. So obviously the numbers that lie between them, it starts from 19 and ends at 34. Papiya, yes, yours is correct, right? That's okay, Abu. Madhuri, 20 by 63. Yes, one rational number could be that, but we need to answer 3. Right? Argyakar, 22 by 63, that's correct. MN7 Gamer, not only 19, you would say 19 by 63. We're talking about the rational number here. Dance Masti, yes, Nandini. Why are you confused? That's okay, Gungun. Yours is correct. So whomsoever was saying it's 15, 16 or something, it is not lying in between them, right? All right. So what we are doing here is, first we converted them into equivalent fractions, right? Then equivalent fraction for 2 by 7 is 18 by 63. Similarly for 5 by 9 it's 35 by 63. Now when the denominators are same, easily we can pick up the numbers, right? This is clear to everyone. No doubt still here? Yes? Quickly, just give me thumbs up and smileys if you have understood this question so that I can move ahead. Nandini, confused. Why? Dibyanshi, 19 by 36, 20 by 36, 22 by 36. How come you're getting 19 by 36? This is not lying in between them. Dibyanshi, please check your answer one more time. It's 63. Were you writing 63 instead of 36? I think there must be some typing error. Yes, Abba Sahib, right. 32 by 63. Why are you getting different answer? First, when we talk about equivalent fractions, we will have to make the denominator same. How do we do that? You take the LCM of the denominators. You get 63. Now that we have the denominator 63, since we are multiplying by 9 in the denominator, you multiply by the same number in the numerator also, right? That has to be same. So when I have these two equivalent fractions, I can just simply look for the numbers in between them. Amisha, totally understood. Yes, Divyanshi, typing error, yes. You want me to write the solution? You love my handwriting. I think Anukriti, you're the first one who is saying this, that you love my handwriting. My teachers used to say that my handwriting is really bad. Yes, Nabil Shah. Confusion. What confusion you have? Are you confused in finding out the equivalent fraction? Yes. So first we will take the LCM of 7 and 9. We all know how to take LCM, right? This is going to be 63. So what is the equivalent fraction when I'm talking about? To make the denominator 63, I'll have to multiply this by 9. Since I'm multiplying this by 9, I'll have to multiply the numerator also by 9, right? Then we get 18 by 63. Thank you, Aradhya. Yes? Ma'am, the rational numbers between two rational numbers are varying. Between two rational numbers? That's okay because Pavya, there are a lot of numbers. Somebody might pick 34 by 63. Somebody might say it's 23 by 63. That's okay. Thank you, Priyanka. Right? And another one is 5 by 9. So denominator has to be 63. So I'll multiply this by 7. Now then we are multiplying by 7 in the denominator. You multiply by the same number in the numerator also. So between these two rational numbers, you can pick all the numbers that we have. Yes, Nandini? Understood? Great. Thank you. Thank you, Gayatri, Priyanka, Nandini, Aradhya. All right. Let's move ahead. So coming up next is a poll question now. All right. You all are ready? Okay. So here we go. The value of minus 1 by 4 plus 7 by 15 is 4 options you have. Quickly solve it. You have 30 seconds to answer this. Yes. Thank you, Gungun. Madhuri, I'm sorry, Sweta, right? All numbers, you are talking about all the numbers in between that. No need to write all the numbers because question is only asking for 3 numbers, right? Yes, Pravin. Yes. Thank you, Harshi. Oh, I can see answers. Yes. The Bianchi says it's 13 by 60. Viswarupa 13. Okay. Everyone is saying option D, 13 by 60. Time is up. Let's check the answer. Absolutely right. It's 13 by 60. Okay. Quickly, let's take a look at the solution, though you all have given the right answer. So first we take the LCM, right? We have to make the denominator same. So whichever way you do it, whether you do it this way, we are multiplying by 15 in the numerator denominator here and 4 by here, or you can take LCM also. That's correct. Same thing. So minus 15 by 60 plus 28 by 60. You take the LCM and plus minus minus, we have 13 by 60. That's the final answer. No confusions in this question? Yes? Alright. Okay, let's move ahead. Yes, absolutely, Divyanshi. It's 13 by 60. Your answer is right. Thank you. Life is beautiful. Let's take a look at the next question. So, which rational number is the correct representation of dot on the number line? We have 4 options here, right? So, you can see the number line over here. What do you think? Which rational number over here is the correct representation of this? Quickly, give your answer in the comment section. No confusions. Paras is confused. Paras, whatever doubt you have, just write it down. Ma'am, no poll was there. This felt like no poll, no mentee. That's okay. You can give your answers in the comment section. This is like a poll only. Yes. Sweta says it's B, which is minus 1 by 3. Everyone is saying minus 1 by 3. Okay, so we have the answer. Let's see what the correct answer is. Absolutely. It's minus 1 by 3. Now quickly, let's take a look at the solution. So we have the number line over here, right? And it says correct representation of this dot on the number line. Now this dot is in between minus 1 and 0, right? Okay, so there are 3 equal divisions you can see. Let me use another color. 3 equal divisions are here. 1, 2, 3. We can see 3 equal divisions in between minus 1 and 0, right? Okay. We have to tell what this dot is actually representing, which number is actually it is representing actually. So I can write this minus 1 as minus 6 by 6, right? And 0 could be written as 0 by 6. I'm writing by 6 so that you do not have any confusion. Yes? All right. Yes, Priyanka. See, I'm explaining this. Whatever confusion you have, I'm sure this will be, you will understand this question. Yes, so minus 6 by 6 and 0 by 6. So we have 3 equal divisions over here, right? Now what I can say is that since we can see 3 equal division in between them, that means this one would actually be what? This would be minus 2 by 6 and this would be what? Minus 4 by 6. 3 equal divisions. Think about what 3 equal divisions obviously. And minus 2 by 6 is nothing but that's minus 1 by 3. So what we are actually trying to tell you here is there are basically infinite number of rational numbers between any 2 rational numbers. But this is actually not true for integers, whole numbers or natural numbers, right? This is only true for rational numbers. Thank you, Nandini. Yes. Thank you. Vivek, Harshi, Apeksha, Gungun. Yes, Naina. Right. The dot over here, the dot is here, right? Still we have got these two. This is minus 6 by 6, this is 0 by 6. So that's clearly understood, right? These two equal divisions are there, 3 equal divisions are there. So that means definitely it is minus 4 and this is minus 2. Minus 4 by 6, minus 2 by 6. Thank you, Amisha. Gungun, thank you. Thank you, Prabhat. So I think someone has a confusion. Tushar, yes. Yes, Tushar. So basically, I have picked up only this much part, right? So minus 1, I can write this as minus 6 by 6 and 0, I can write this as 0 by 6, right? So I've picked up these numbers accordingly. Why I picked up these? Because in the options, we have these numbers 6, 5, 3 and 2, right? So accordingly, we picked up 6 because equal divisions could be done in that way, right? So this is minus 6 by 6, that's 0 by 6. So here the dot, equally they are representing. That's why it is minus 4 by 6, minus 2 by 6. According to option, it's going to be minus 1 by 3. Yes, Abbas, I have explained one more time. Thank you, Rajul. Understood? Yes? Great. So next we have our poll question. Ready? All right. So here we go. Which rational number is the correct representation of dot on the number line? Now this relates to the previous one. I am sure that you all will be able to answer this. 4 options you have here. Quickly solve it. Your time starts now. Can we represent rational number decimals in the form of? Absolutely, Anukriti. We remove the decimal and then we reduce if it is possible. Otherwise, then we can represent it as a. See, it depends whether it will be a rational or irrational number in that case. Right? Okay, I can see answers over here. Anvi, screen is blurred. Please refresh the screen once. Nayana says it's D, some are saying B, some are saying 1, 2 by 3, that means B, okay, that means option B, okay, time is up, let's check the answer. So this is option B, yes. So mostly students have given the right answer, it's option B, that's 1, 2 by 3. Quickly let's take a look at the solution. So we are talking about this part, you can see, between 1 and 2, and we can see 3 equal divisions over here, between 1 and 2. So what I can do is I can write this 1 as 3 by 3, this 2 as 6 by 3. Yes, Manan, now I can see your message. Yes. So 1 could be written as 3 by 3, 2 could be written as 6 by 3. I'm just writing it here. This is 1, this is 2. Equal divisions we are talking about, right? So that means definitely this number over here would be 4 by 3. This would be 5 by 3, right? Thank you, Prabhat. So here this dot over here is representing 5 by 3, but if I have to convert that into mixed fractions, it could be written as 1, 2 by 3. Understood, Harshi? Yes? Yes, Apeksha, I saw that you gave the first answer. Yes. All right. Thank you, Manya. So 1, 2 by 3 is the right answer. No doubt still here? Yes? Quickly give me thumbs up, smileys, hearts, so that I can understand this is clear to everyone and I can move ahead. Yes. Understood, Nayana. Anisha, one more time. Rest everyone has understood this? Okay, so Anisha, what we are doing here is, this is 1 and this is 2. Equal divisions, 3 equal divisions are there. So 1 could be written as 3 by 3, 2 could be written as 6 by 3. Same thing, right? Since equal divisions are there, definitely the next number is going to be 4 by 3 and this is going to be 5 by 3. So dot is representing 5 by 3. If you convert that in mixed fractions, it's going to be 1, 2 by 3. Yes? Sunita, I can see lots of thumbs up, smileys and hearts. Wow. Yes, right, Pragya. Thank you. All right. So I hope your doubt is clear now. Thank you, Apeksha. Thank you, Shivansh. No doubt still here. Amazing. Let's move ahead. Let's take a look at the next question. Which of the following is a correct comparison of rational numbers? 4 options are there. Quickly tell me which one is the right answer. Which one is the correct comparison? We all know how to compare numbers and we know how to compare rational numbers also. This we have already studied in the previous grade. Now the fear of math is decreasing after this session. Wow. When you say such things, I feel so good. that we have students who like maths, because generally students have this, this phobia, math phobia, or they run away from this subject. Anisha, no ma'am, no doubt. Great. Okay, Anvi says it's A, Pravin says it's C, Apeksha says A. Gungun, Sweta, Anisha, S. Nagendra, Dipti, Aradhya, Gayatri, everyone is saying A. Okay, but someone said it's C also, right? Let's check the answer. So I'm going to discuss all these options one by one. First one is 5 by 6 and 7 by 12. So 5 by 6, if I have to make the denominator same, I'll multiply this and this, denominator by 2. So I'll have to multiply the numerator also by 2. This is what we do, right? So this becomes what? This becomes 10 by 12. Denominator is same. Now I can easily compare the numerators. So 10 is lesser than 7? No, that's wrong. So this is wrong. This is not the correct comparison. So this cannot be our answer. Moving to the next one, 3 by 7, 6 by 8. So what I can say is simply I'll multiply the numerator denominator by 8 here and here by 7. What do I get? I get 24 by 56, 42 by 56. Simply 24 over here, it says it's greater than 48, which is wrong, right? So this is also not the correct answer. Moving to the next one, 13 by 7, 11 by 6. Similarly, I'll multiply here by 6 in the numerator and denominator, here by 7. I get 148 by 42 and 77 by 42, right? Yes, this is going to be 13, 6. This is going to be 98. I'm sorry, 78. This is 78, 78 and 77. That's correct, right? 78 is greater than 77. So this is the right answer. Option C, absolutely. So option C is the right answer. See, it is a multiple choice question. So in your grade, obviously only one answer could be correct. So we need not go and check the option D in that case, since we have got our correct answer. Option C is here. Yes. Yes, Anukriti, your answer is right. Absolutely. Pravin, right. So we all have understood how to compare things, right? Now let's move ahead. Let's take a look at the next one. Product of minus 2 by 7 and times 6 by 13 is. Quickly give your answers. What is the right option here? Yes. Favorite shape out of all these? Oh, confusing. Star, I think. Yes. Naina, Shobha, yes. Vivek says, quickly, what could be the right answer for this question? This is a very simple one. Grisha says it's A. So Grisha is the first one to answer this. She says A. Amisha says it's A. Okay, let's check the solution first. Minus 2 by 7 into 6 by 13. Simply we will multiply the numerator with denominator, denominator with denominator, minus 12 by 91, which is option E here. Absolutely. Simple one. Yes? So we all have understood. No doubt still here. Awesome. Let's move ahead. Now we'll have a poll question. So the question is, 1 is the additive identity and 0 is the multiplicative identity of rational numbers. Is this statement true or false? You have 30 seconds to answer this question. Quickly. So these kind of, these are the concept, these are the questions which actually check your concept clarity. Now we have this, everyone is saying false, false, false. Apeksha says it's true. Swati says yes. Nandini says true. Okay, we will check the reason also, why this is true or why, if it is false, why is it false. I can see mixed answers. Some are saying true, some are saying it's false. Okay, let's check the solution. So the statement is false here. See, this is where your concept clarity comes into picture. So that means this concept is not clear to everyone. What do we mean by additive identity and this multiplicative identity when we say this, right? 1 is the additive identity and 0 is the multiplicative identity. No. Whenever I multiply 1 with any number, let's say that number is x, we get the number itself, right? So 1 is the multiplicative identity, right? It is the multiplicative identity. And when I say 0 is the additive identity, because whenever you add 0 to any number, you get the number itself. So 0 is the additive identity. I hope this is clear to everyone now. Yes, 0 is the additive identity, 1 is the multiplicative identity. Right, Aharshi? Yes, Gayatri, right answer. So a lot of students had doubt in this, right? This concept was not clear to you. I hope now you have, yes. Yes, Tushar, your answer is correct. Yes. Answer is false here. Apeksha, yes. Poonami, yes. Nandini, no ma'am. No ma'am means no doubt or you haven't understood this. Yes. Archita got it right. Shobha, yes. 0 is the additive identity, right? Nayana, okay. Yes, Nandini, I hope this is clear, right? Okay, Nandini. So when we are saying 1 is the additive identity, that means if I add 1 to any number, what do I get? I'll get its successor basically. Let's say if I add 1 to 5, I'll get its successor, that's going to be 6. If I add 1 to 100, I'll get its successor, that's going to be 101. I'm just talking about the natural numbers or whole numbers over here, right? Thank you, Amisha. So 1 is not the additive identity. Additive identity means whenever you add this 1 to any number, you get the number itself. That doesn't happen. That's why we say 0 is the additive identity. Because whenever I'm adding 0 to any number, I'm getting the number itself. Yes? Aradhya, no doubt still here? Pranka, no doubt. I hope Nandini, your doubt is clear now. Yes? Quickly, you can give me thumbs up, smileys, hearts, or whatever good emojis you have. Yes? I hope this is clear to everyone now. Maharshi, no doubts. Swati Prasad, no doubts. Nandini, yes ma'am, now understood. Thank you, Shivansh. All right. So these were the questions that we have in this session, but homework time now. So this is the question, find the product of P by Q and R by S, which is shown on this number line. So you have this question here. You can let us know the right answer in the comment section. You can answer this question after this session. Thank you, Amisha. So don't worry, we have got you covered. Amisha just said that, right? So we have lined up many more sessions for you from every Monday to Friday to make you exam ready. So everything would be covered, whatever you have in your syllabus. So don't worry about it. Alright, so let me give you a glimpse of the upcoming session. So our next session is on Monday, that is 18th April at 6 p.m. What are we going to discuss? So this is going to be our first concept session on rational numbers. So we have done a bridge session on rational numbers. We did a quiz on bridge session. Now we will have our first concept session, right? So this is very important. Whatever concepts, new concepts we have in grade 8, that will be covered in this session, right? So do not forget to join this, and we have free trial classes also. The link for that is given in the description below. Please click on that link and get all your doubts clarified instantly during the class. And please like, share and subscribe so that you do not miss any new updates from us. Yes? So I hope this session was fruitful for all of you. Yes? Arshi, yes, goodbye. Yes. Thank you, Gungun. Nandini will definitely join. Thank you. All right, so I'll see you soon. Keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you. Bye-bye.